Do you want to earn money online but don't know where to start? Today we'll discuss the importance of setting a clear financial goal. You see, having a defined objective of how much you want to earn and in what time frame sets the tone for your entire journey. It's like the North Star, guiding your decisions and keeping you focused. So determine your goal, write it down, and keep it in sight. Remember, a clear goal is the first step towards success in online earning. What are your hobbies, passions, or skills? We all have them, and they can be transformed into a source of online income. Consider what you love to do or what you're really good at. Is it blogging, web designing, or creating engaging YouTube content? Perhaps it's affiliate marketing or providing technical services. The digital world offers a multitude of opportunities for everyone. So, take a moment to explore and understand your interests and skills because they can become your source of income online. Now, let's dive into the world of online earning. Once you've identified your passion and chosen your online earning method, it's time to focus on gaining the right education and training in your selected field. This is a crucial step, as it equips you with the necessary tools and techniques to excel in your chosen area. But remember, knowledge is only the first half of the equation. The second half is application. This is where you need to develop a high-quality product or service that reflects your expertise and passion. Ensure that what you offer is not only valuable, but also unique, setting you apart from the competition. Now here's where the rubber meets the road. You've got your product or service ready, but how do you get it out there? That's where a well-thought-out marketing strategy comes into play. Using digital mediums, you can promote your product or service, reaching out to your target audience effectively. With the right training and a well-developed product or service, you're ready to step into the market. Success in online earning requires consistency and organization. It's crucial to establish a regular work rhythm and adhere to a schedule. Just like a well-oiled machine, your online business thrives on consistency, ensuring that your audience can rely on your presence and output. Now, punctuality is not just about meeting deadlines. It also means being timely in responding to queries, updating your content, or launching new products or services. Remember, in the online world, time is of the essence. Next, let's talk about evaluation. It's not enough to just work hard, you need to work smart. Regularly assess your results, identify what's working and what isn't, and make necessary improvements. Don't shy away from constructive feedback and always strive for better. Finally, organization. Keep your work well managed and orderly. This not only increases efficiency, but also reduces stress, freeing up your mind to focus on creativity and innovation. With consistent effort, regular evaluation, and good organization, success in online earning is within your reach.